How to know if the control board's bad. Different types of control boards. Not all control boards are the same. Symptoms and diagnosis. So there's different symptoms you'll have out of different control boards, and today I'm going to talk about a few of those symptoms and how I would diagnose. So you're watching Taddy Digest. This is HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad. Let's go. Not all control boards are the same. I'm going to show you a few different control boards. These three are all ignition control boards. You can tell because they have a spark igniter right here, and they've got a couple relays and then 9-pin or 6-pin harnesses for all the safeties like the pressure switches, the limit switches. These go in furnaces, or gas package units. Then you've got a time delay relay board. This usually goes in a heat pump air handler, controls a blower motor. This is a CFM board, controls a blower motor, usually goes in a package heat pump. This is a defrost board. There are different types of defrost boards. This is used for defrost control. This is typically found in a heat pump. This right here is a spark igniter and a flame sensor. And a problem I found in the field is that where this wire goes to this spark igniter, it's not sparking. It's not sparking, it's sending power to the gas valve. Gas valve's opening, but there's no spark. And it was a bad, faulty ignition control board. I found that we've got 120 volts coming in the board, or 230, but there's no voltage going out to the inducer motor, so it's not running. I found that we've got power coming into the board, but it's not sending the 120 volts to the hot surface igniter, so it's not glowing, and it was a faulty board. I found that we have an error code that says that the limit switch is open, but it's not open. When you check with your meter and you put your leads on each side, check continuity through the switch, it's closed. It was a faulty board. I've also had the plug right here have a loose connection. I've had a solder joint that is broken, and that is what was actually wrong with the board. I've had the time delay relay board with contacts that wouldn't close. They were stuck open. They were welded open, or they were stuck closed, blowers running all the time. That's another problem you'll find with boards. You'll have the blower motor inside running all the time, right? Because the relay is stuck closed on the actual board. Or it's stuck open and the blower will not run at all. I've also had faulty ignition control boards where it was sparking, right? But it was not sending power to the gas valve. And that's another issue you may find. If it smells burnt, it might be burnt. Take it out, turn it over, and see, is there any burn marks on the back of the board? That's a really good indication that, well, you've got a faulty control board.